A man from India.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Sheikh.
Assalamu wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
So, Sheikh, I'm really confused regarding the issue. When Yazid was the Khalifa and Tabi'een, so why he didn't punish Ubaidullah ibn Ziyad when he made Medina halal for 3 days during the Battle of
Akhi, what's the point of bringing something that took place 1300 years ago or plus? Answer me, please.
Sheikh, my local masjid imam made confuse me. Like,
what do you want? What is the benefit? What do you want us to say? What is the conclusion you want to reach?
He says like you're wrong about his Tabi'een because he was evil man.
You're wrong about who?
He says that you are wrong saying him Tabi'een.
I am wrong because
Yazid.
Yazid was not from the Tabi'een. So what? Let us assume he's not from the Tabi'een. Then what? Answer me.
I don't know, Sheikh. I'm confused.
No, it's not confused. Either you don't have a purpose in life. And when people don't have a purpose in life, they don't know what to do. Some of them play video games. Some of them watch pornography. Some of them go into websites that make them crazy or doubtful about their deen. Or you may have tendencies of Shia, and you're camouflaging yourself to be a Sunni and pretending to be confused so that you would confuse others. Akhi, we do not care what happened these years. We care about Qur'an. We care about the Sunnah. We care about our love to the companions. And we love Muawiya ibn Abi Sufyan, may Allah be pleased with him, who was a companion and one of the scribers of the Wahi. He's the brother-in-law of the Prophet ﷺ. His son, Yazid, he did evil things, but he did also a lot of good things. And he is from the Tabi'een by the definition I told you about. Who cares about your Imam of your masjid? Who is he? He's nobody. So when a nobody like him confuses you, this means that your Iman is on the brink, that you are on shaky grounds. You don't have foundation of strong Islam. Any missionary could come and speak to you about Christianity and you would convert to Christianity. You said, oh, we believe in the Trinity. And in Islam there is Trinity. You say, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is Trinity, yalla. Oh, I'm confused, Sheikh. He's right, these are 3 names and attributes of Allah Azza wa Jalla. What are you doing? So, Akhi, focus on reading the Qur'an and revering it. Focus on learning the Sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ. Focus on loving his seerah, loving his companions. Focus on understanding that the best of generations are the Sahaba, Tabi'een, and Tabi'it Tabi'een. And Yazid is, whether this so-called Imam of Masjid likes it or not, is a Tabi'i. But does it mean that he's placed his feet in the Jannah? No, it doesn't. But he is a Tabi'i. It's a label. It's a title given to him simply because he saw the companions of the Prophet ﷺ. So get over it and get a life.